Good morning, everyone. Oh, it's a lovely morning, that's for sure. Check this out, I've got a flask. So hot coffee, oh, beautiful. Yeah, visiting the allotment, doing a bit of jobs. I've noticed when I did a brief visit dropping off compost, oh, check these tulips out. That had a few weeds coming through the cardboard, so I'm going to sort of deal with those. I've got a pile of cardboard, so more bed making rather. Look at this tulips, oh, beautiful. I love tulips, they are really nice. Absolutely gorgeous. I do like looking at other people's plots, see what they do. They look like they've got potatoes in there. That's a fine plot, that one. They look like gooseberry bushes. Lovely. Yeah, so a bit of maintenance, etc. I really sort of came early because I knew it would be quiet, so I could just do the intro, and also the sun was shot. Well, I've noticed most mornings the sun shines and then it kind of clouds over and rains for the rest of the day. So that's what happened yesterday anyway. So they're all at my pile of cardboard. You probably can't quite see it yet. Right, I'll deal with that in a minute. Let's go and have a little walk through. Need to get the strimmer here actually. I keep saying that and not doing it, but I need to do it. So the grass is growing. It's coming along. There's more compost. So this is what I need to deal with, a few of these as well. Just sort of pull the soil away, pull them up and put new fresh cardboard and put the soil back over. And it's probably where there's been gaps in the cardboard, which is where they sort of kind of creep through. This is the same here. Do the same, pull the soil away. But I'm thinking of, well, cardboard to extend a little bit, creep out that way. And I really wanted to deal with that and pull up any big weeds and kind of creep out that way. This is where sort of the grasses grow like nuts. I really need to deal with that. And I think I might take these definitely need to are done. I'm going to take these home and we can have them. But look at the onions, they're growing, they're loving it. Fabulous. Well, I haven't had a morning coffee yet, so I'm going to start that with pouring a coffee and cracking on. It's beautiful. Such a nice, so refreshing. Absolutely love it. Yep, coffee time. So first of all, I've got to strip this cardboard of all the sellotape and labels. That's a pile of already clean, as it were. So yeah, that's the first job, very first job. Oh, and drink my coffee. Yeah. Oh, right, so that's all stripped. Hold up, let's try and bend it down. That's all stripped. The tape on that is awful, so I'm going to take that back home and just recycle it. Yeah. Right, for the next job, I think I'm going to attack the weeds that have started to grow and put new cardboard over. See you in a bit. Oh, look at these 3 spring onions. Didn't think I would be getting these so soon. Oh, that's my audible. Hold on.
That proves it's arsenic, all right.
Well, of course it is arsenic, didn't I tell you? Is that all?
Oh, isn't it enough?
No, it's not quite, but it's a long way to...
Yeah, sometimes it turns itself off and then on again. I'm sort of, yeah, something wrong with the app. But look at that. And these are the ones I rescued when I first got the allotment, well, this was my first few plots. So I replanted these, and there's more. These are sort of slightly smaller, so I'm going to leave those. Lots of worm activity, which is really good. I'm still sort of doing the weeds, the odd weeds that have come through the cardboard, and that seems to be working. You know, like repatching the cardboard defence. Yeah, so I'm going to carry on with that. See you in a bit. Right, scrap what I just said. I'm going to actually start extending the cardboard because I can carry on with these spotted weeds tomorrow or the next day. But I really need to deal with the cardboard that's in a pile because I don't want to, what's the word? Well, when it rains, I don't want it just sitting there getting wet. So it has to be kind of, new beds have to be made. So let's get on and start that. Oh, I did forget, want to show you. Look at this. We sowed some spring onion seeds. I hope you can see that. And they're coming up. It's fantastic. Right, let's get over here and start laying out this cardboard. I think I need another coffee soon. The beauty of having a flask is it's going to be hot. That's what all the reviews said, because I did really look hard for a decent hot flask, and some of them said, oh, it was warm after a few hours. Warm's not good, you want it hot. Anyway, no sign of the runner beans yet. I mean, hopefully they'll come up. Otherwise I just have to sow again, but hopefully I won't have to do that. Right, I'm going to clear all this and we're going to start extending outwards. See you in a bit. Oh, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're having a good day. I'm pleased with the progress. Be good to get some more growing though. But you know, middle of April, well, nearly, things will start picking up. And I know what's growing is definitely weeds, but it's all good progress. So I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.